Are you ready to step into the world of exclusivity? Fasten your seatbelts as we unveil the most exclusive members clubs around the world that only the elite few have access to. Welcome back, luxury travelers. In today's video, we explore the world's top 5 most exclusive members clubs. These are the places where the rich and famous come to unwind, socialize, and plan the New World Order. These clubs are not just about who's who. They're also steeped in history, luxury, and unparalleled experiences. As we unveil the secrets of these private havens, we'll also provide insights into their history, location, membership requirements, and the incredible perks that come with belonging to these elite circles. Let's get started. Number 5. Carlyle Co. Hong Kong. Nestled in the heart of Hong Kong's bustling financial district, Carlyle Co. is a sanctuary of sophistication that pays homage to the glamour and elegance of the 1920s. Opened in 2020, the club is housed in the iconic Rosewood, Hong Kong, a luxurious waterfront property that offers breathtaking views of Victoria Harbor. Inspired by the legendary Café Carlyle in New York, Carlyle Co. pays tribute to the golden age of private clubs with its lavish interiors, live jazz performances, and impeccable service. Membership at Carlyle Co. is by invitation only, ensuring that the club maintains its exclusive status. With a limited number of memberships available, the club is highly selective in choosing its members, focusing on individuals who appreciate the finer things in life and share a passion for art, music, and culture. For those who receive an invitation, the joining fee is an astounding $118,000 for members over 33 years old, while the younger crowd, aged 33 and below, can join for $60,000. Annual dues for all members come in at approximately $2,000. Once you've made it past the velvet ropes, a world of unparalleled luxury awaits. Members can indulge in a variety of amenities, including a state-of-the-art gym, an infinity pool with stunning views of the harbor, and a spa offering bespoke treatments. The club's dining options are equally impressive, featuring a fine dining restaurant, a speakeasy-style bar, and a cigar lounge. Members can also enjoy exclusive access to a curated program of cultural and social events, such as art exhibitions, wine tastings, and private performances by renowned artists. Now that we've given you a taste of the opulence and exclusivity of Carlyle Co., it's time to venture into the breathtaking wilderness for our next pick. Get ready to explore the world's only private ski and golf community. Number 4. Yellowstone Club, Montana, USA. Venturing into the serene wilderness, we arrive at our number 4 pick, the Yellowstone Club in Montana, USA. This ultra-exclusive club, nestled amidst the Rocky Mountains, offers its members the unique experience of enjoying world-class skiing and golf in a private and breathtaking setting. Founded in 1999, the Yellowstone Club sprawls over 15,200 acres of pristine natural beauty. Surrounded by the picturesque Gallatin Range and the vast Yellowstone National Park, it provides the perfect escape for those seeking the ultimate combination of luxury and adventure. Gaining membership to the Yellowstone Club is no easy feat. Prospective members must be referred by 2 existing members and are subject to a rigorous vetting process. If approved, they must purchase property within the club's grounds, which can range from multi-million-dollar condos to sprawling estates. On top of the property purchase, there's a one-time joining fee of $400,000 and annual dues of around $41,500. Some notable members include Bill and Melinda Gates, former Vice President Dan Quayle, and entertainment mogul Peter Chernin. As a member of the Yellowstone Club, you'll have access to an array of world-class amenities. During the winter months, enjoy over 60 miles of private ski slopes with guaranteed first tracks and no lift lines. In the warmer months, members can take advantage of the 18-hole championship golf course designed by legendary golfer Tom Weiskopf. The club also offers a luxurious spa, fine dining establishments, and a variety of outdoor activities such as horseback riding, fly fishing, and mountain biking. But just when you think it can't get more exclusive than this, we have something even more extraordinary waiting for you at number 3. Prepare to be transported to the heart of a bastion of British high society with a waiting list so long, it could take decades to secure membership. What secrets lie within this venerable institution? Number 3. The Hurlingham Club, United Kingdom. Crossing the Atlantic, we find ourselves in the heart of London at our number 3 pick, the illustrious Hurlingham Club. Established in 1869, this exclusive haven is steeped in British history and tradition. Located in the prestigious neighborhood of Fulham, the club is set on 42 acres of impeccably manicured gardens and sports facilities. The Hurlingham Club is renowned for its rich heritage and strong connection to the world of sports, particularly polo. It played host to the first international polo match between England and the United States in 1886, and continued to be a hub for the sport until the 1930s. Today, the club still celebrates its polo legacy, though it has expanded to offer a range of other sports and leisure activities for its discerning members. Securing membership at the Hurlingham Club is no easy task. The waiting list is famously long, rumored to be over 30 years, and applicants must be nominated by 2 existing members. While the club remains tight-lipped about the exact membership costs, it's believed that the joining fee is around £25,000, with annual dues of approximately £1,500. As a member of this esteemed institution, you'll have access to a plethora of first-class facilities. These include indoor and outdoor swimming pools, tennis courts, a gym, a spa, and even a bowling alley. The club also hosts a variety of elegant social events, such as themed balls and garden parties, where members can rub shoulders with the creme de la creme of British high society, including King Charles and the Duchess of Cornwall of the British royal family. Now, as we approach the top of our list, the exclusivity levels are reaching dizzying heights. Our number 2 pick takes us back to the United States, where a cutting-edge, ultra-modern club in New York City is redefining luxury and exclusivity for its elite clientele. Number 2. Core Club, New York City, USA. We find ourselves in the bustling metropolis of New York City at our number 2 pick, the ultra-exclusive Core Club. Launched in 2005, Core is a modern, innovative private club that offers its members not only a luxurious environment but also an intellectual and cultural haven. Situated in the heart of Manhattan, the club's sleek and sophisticated interiors are designed to inspire creativity, collaboration, and conversation among its distinguished members. Core has become a sanctuary for the city's elite, attracting high-profile entrepreneurs, celebrities, and thought leaders who appreciate the club's commitment to providing a space for both relaxation and intellectual stimulation. Obtaining a membership at the Core Club is a highly selective process. Prospective members must be nominated by an existing member, undergo a thorough background check, and participate in an interview with the club's membership committee. If accepted, new members can expect to pay a one-time initiation fee of $50,000, along with annual dues of around $17,000. Notable members range from business magnates like Steven Schwartzman and Ronald Perlman, to entertainment industry giants such as Tory Burch. As a member of the Core Club, you'll have access to an incredible range of luxurious amenities and exclusive experiences. The club features a fine dining restaurant, a stylish bar, a contemporary art gallery, and an extensive library. Additionally, members can enjoy a state-of-the-art fitness center, a spa, and private meeting rooms. To elevate the experience further, the club hosts a variety of curated events, including intimate talks with renowned authors, film screenings, and networking opportunities. As we reach the pinnacle of our countdown, it's time to reveal the most exclusive members club of them all. Number 1. The R360 Club Worldwide. Finally, we've arrived at the apex of luxury and exclusivity with our number 1 pick, the mysterious and highly coveted R360 Club. Operating on a global scale, the R360 Club offers its elite members access to a world of unparalleled experiences, opulence, and connections. This ultra-secretive club caters to the world's most affluent and influential individuals, providing them with a unique platform to connect, collaborate, and indulge in life's finest offerings. The R360 Club is not tied to a specific location, and instead, its members enjoy access to a carefully curated network of luxurious venues, events, and experiences across the globe. The club's name, R360, stands for Revolution 360, symbolizing its commitment to providing members with a full-circle, extraordinary lifestyle. Gaining membership to the R360 Club is an exceptionally exclusive process. Members of the global R360 Club epitomize the characteristics of wealth and influence. As a wealth-building club for families and couples, applicants must be centimillionaires, with fortunes in excess of $100 million to join. On top of meeting this financial requirement, prospective members must pay a $180,000 3-year membership fee. However, net worth doesn't guarantee automatic acceptance, as 2 billionaires have been rejected for not meeting the club's non-monetary values. To gain access to the club, you'll need to be referred by 2 existing members and pass a series of interviews based on a 25-page dossier about your motivations and financial objectives. As an R360 Club member, you'll enjoy an array of extraordinary privileges and benefits. These include access to unique investment opportunities, Necker Island retreats, your own security service, and training from a former FBI agent. Members can also take advantage of a network of luxury properties, private jets, and yachts around the world, and attend exclusive events such as private art exhibitions, wine tastings, and intimate performances by world-renowned artists. In addition, the club offers bespoke concierge services, ensuring that members' every need and desire is catered to, no matter where they are in the world. With the R360 Club, we've reached the pinnacle of luxury, exclusivity, and privilege. The experiences and connections offered by this club are truly unmatched, solidifying its position as the most exclusive members club in the world. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the world's top 5 most exclusive members clubs. We hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into the secretive and luxurious world of the elite few. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow luxury travelers. Until next time, keep traveling.